Python programs that contain C++ coding can be executed using mingw64 project run terminal. In this video, we'll see how to install that one. Type mingw64 in Google. Click the first option. It will take us to another website, sourceforge.net. Here we can download. This is applicable for both 32-bit and 64-bit Windows. Within few seconds, it will be downloaded. Open it to install in your system. It will take some time to install. Click next. This is the location where the file will be installed. Click next. It will take some time. Be patient. Click next. Finish. Now we have successfully installed mingw. Click this PC, C drive, program files, mingw64. Open the folder. Double click on the mingw batch file. It will open the command line window. Here we can type the commands to execute Python files which has C++ coding. Even you can have a desktop shortcut to open that command line window. This is how we can install mingw software.